Flashing Tristyns' new rig for the first time.
Seriously, got my big ass fits in here with this fucking life jacket.
It's tiny. This is his grandfather's boat that he built back in 05, 06. He sold it. Been sitting in a barn in Tennessee to this about a month ago. Tristan just put it all back together. First time in the water for a long time. Looks good. Tristan's super excited about this one. Yeah. It wants to hop under to about like 65. Once you hit like 65, then it. Ran at 83 miles an hour. It looks good in the sun. Yeah, what's your guess, Tristan? Yeah, I'm guessing 94.
Yeah, I think we just dropped some weight. That cooler's probably 50, 60 pounds.
Yeah.
I'd say probably 40 to 50 for sure.
You should pick up some RPM.
I called it.
Motor, it's been 6100 at 91 miles an hour.
I fucking called it. Doesn't it have more RPM than that?
It looks like it needs more trim.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Feels fine. Boat's just fucking.
Why is it only spinning 61?
Motor, I mean, I got the motor low.
Low?
I set it where he had it because I'd never set one of these boats up. I got 20 pounds of water pressure at 91.
Yeah, I think it needs more trim. You're probably used to a single ram. That single ram, you know, you got a quick bump. You probably have to hold the trim button a little bit longer.
I'm just quick bumping it, but I'm constantly hit.
Yeah.
It feels fine. It just kind of floats.
Yeah.
You get one of those soft.
How'd the video look?
Good.
I want to see it.
I'll send it. I know.
That looks like more trim. Tristan's letting me run it. Let's see what I can do. Maiden voyage went really good. Tristan got, what, 93.8?
93 out of the old group. A 15-foot checkmate.
She rides really nice.
Rides pretty good, actually. I don't expect him to blow over or die today, but
No, she rides really nice. About 88, two of us.
yeah.
88 mile an hour, two of us. About a half tank and a cooler.